Hello, welcome back to another episode of Sparky's Tech Corner. Today I've got a quick video. I got a comment on one of my other videos about what some of the reasons a blinking blue screen on an NES would be. And one of the most common things there is this. It is a 72 pin connector on the NES 001 console. Now what usually happens is these pins, after a period of time, especially the ones for the actual cartridge, usually end up becoming bent down where it won't keep a good grip on the console, the cartridge. And what usually ends up happening is since it can't make a good connection onto the cartridge, it will result in kind of like what the lockout chip would do, and it will just flash, blue or gray or anything like that. Now, it doesn't mean that it couldn't be a chip issue. Flashing screen could be a a VRAM or SRAM issue. It could also be a CPU or PPU issue. So you can't really forego those conclusions as well. But the most common thing is this connector. Now you can do a couple of different things to fix this. Best thing you can do is get a replacement connector. Arcade Mods has a modification out. It's called the Blinky Light Win, and it's basically it gets rid of the slide down tray on the actual game console. It gets rid of this and makes it to where you don't have to click the game down in order for it to make a connection. It just slides right in, and it's a nice tight thumb grip. It's about $30. I'll include a link in the description below of the site where you can get it from. But if you don't have the money or don't have the time, you just want to see if this is the issue, best thing you can do, get as close as I can here, get yourself a little pick and go up behind each of these little deals, and you can bend them out. And just do this for every connector and pin, and allow it to get a better grip. Afterwards, once you get all these bent out, get you some rubbing alcohol and Q-tip. Go through and clean each one of these slides out. And I'll do this both on the cartridge side and on the motherboard side. Once you get them bent out, get them clean, you can buy a cheap pin connector cleaner for the console and get it on both sides. Or you can grab yourself basically a credit card and some very, very thin coarse fabric, and you can stick it down here and clean the corrosion and stuff off these pins, and that should correct your issue. If it doesn't, and you are 100% for sure that the cartridge is making a good connection with the console, like I say, it could be a SRAM or a VRAM problem. It could even be a PPU or CPU. So with that, this is just a quick video. I said it was a response of one of the comments. This comment is from Lucius Gaming, and he asked what was a couple of things that could fix a blue screen, blinky blue screen, and I said this is one of them. So Lucius Gaming, I hope you can get your console fixed. If not, and if you don't want to go through and try to fix it yourself, you can send it to me. I'd be more glad to try to fix it for you. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you.